Little storyteller.
Leo lived in a sunny yellow house with a big window where the sun loved to play. When the sun shone just right, Leo's shadow would appear on the wall. Leo's shadow was very good at pretending. It could walk without making a sound and dance without moving its feet. Leo loved to watch his shadow. One sunny morning, Leo's shadow started to do funny walks and big arm movements. It looked like his shadow was a mime. It pretended to be stuck in a box, then floated like a balloon. Leo giggled. Leo wanted to play too. He put his hands together and made a fluffy bunny shadow on the wall next to his mime shadow. The bunny wiggled its nose. Leo's mime shadow stopped its funny walk and looked at the bunny. Its straight, thin shadow arms seemed to frown. Leo tried again. This time, he made a shadow of a quacking duck. The duck's bill opened and closed. Honk! Honk! Went the shadow duck. The mime shadow sighed a long, silent shadow sigh. It pointed its shadow finger at its own chest, then made a big, dramatic wave with its arm, like it was showing off. Leo watched his mime shadow pretend to climb a rope and then carefully walk on a tightrope. It was amazing, but Leo still wanted to play his own way. He made a little shadow dog that chased the bunny. Woof! Woof! Went the shadow dog. The mime shadow slumped against the wall. Its head shadow drooped. Leo felt a little sad. He liked making shadow puppets, but he also wanted to play with his shadow. Then Leo had an idea. He put his hands together and made a shadow person next to his mime shadow. The shadow person held its hands up, just like the mime. Then Leo made the shadow person clap. Clap! Clap! Went the shadow person's hands. The mime shadow perked up. It started to mime clapping too. Now there were two shadows clapping on the wall. Leo made his shadow bunny hop and his shadow duck waddle around the clapping shadows. The mime shadow didn't look sad anymore. It started to mime petting the shadow bunny and giving the shadow duck a gentle nod. Leo smiled. It was fun to play together, even if they played in different ways. The sun began to go down, and the shadows started to fade. Leo looked at the wall where his shadow and his shadow puppets had played. He learned that it's fun to try new things, and that playing together is always better, even if everyone has their own special way of having fun. Just like shadows need light to appear, friends need to understand each other to play happily together.
Please subscribe. Thank you.